Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to enter donations in QuickBooks Nonprofit Easy Guide. Open the Donations menu, then click New Donation to begin. Choose the donor from your list. Assign the correct fund and income account. Enter the payment method and date. Add a memo if needed. Review the amounts. Attach any receipt files. And click Save to record the contribution in your nonprofit ledger. Start by picking the right fund and income account, so restricted gifts stay separate from general operating support, ensuring accurate reporting and audit trails. Use tags or memos to note campaigns, event names, or donor restrictions, and mark payment methods like check, credit card, or etch. Double-check amounts and donor details before saving, and attach any donation forms or acknowledgments to the transaction for complete records and transparency. If this walkthrough is helping, please subscribe and like so you see more nonprofit QuickBooks tips and guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, robot face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control keeps your workspace tidy while you focus on donor records. It's a small time saver that feels big during crunch time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After recording donations, reconcile your bank deposits against the donation entries to catch discrepancies and confirm totals. Use built-in donation reports to filter by fund, donor, or campaign, and review giving trends and balances for board or grant reporting. Customize date ranges and export reports as CSV or PDF to share with stakeholders, and mark any matched payments or return donations for accurate net totals and clean year-end statements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.